Today I have an interesting padlock for you guys. It's the Yale shutter padlock or monobloc padlock. It's model number where it was Y114B 60/114/1. I know it as Y114. This is the newer model with the B. It's a Yale lock. You can see here SasPes, part of SasPes group. So yeah, there is some kind of brass construction with bigger shackle clearance to allow for broader locking applications. Yeah, it's in the package. It's a protection 6, somewhere in the middle. There is no scale, so yep, let's try. It's 9mm probably shackle. Let's try to open it and pick it. Hopefully I will be able to pick it out of the package. I hate this packaging, but I think this is maybe not the first, maybe the second shutter padlock that I'm picking on the camera. I mean, usually I have a lot of padlocks, but not shutter padlocks. So yeah, let's see the key. First, let's see if it's going to work. Yeah, it's working. There is like, it's a bit sticky, and oh wow, it's a lot sticky, and there is like a spring. It's a cool looking padlock, don't get me wrong. Let me check key. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. The beading it's okay-ish, nothing special, but it's a tight keyway. So let me grab the forest diamond and let's try with this tension tool if it's going to. Yeah, it can barely work. I have no idea if there is like a security pins or not. So yeah, let's try to pick this one. So one, it's binding I think, or I'm grabbing it with the tension tool. That's going to be interesting. 1 click, 2 click, 3 click, 4 nothing, 5 click, 6, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5. No, it's 5 pin lock. What was that, like 6th? No, that's not a pin. The feedback is like no feedback. Oh, now I'm in falset, so probably spools. Let me find a spool. So there are definitely security pins, but because of the click from 4, 5, and we're open. So definitely security pins. I don't know if I'm going to be able to disassemble this one. Definitely I cannot disassemble this one without destroying the lock. Probably there are pins here. I maybe we can, no, I cannot even see them. So that's my guess. There is a pins here, and we need to remove it so we can remove the core. I just removed the part of the holding the shackle and locking it. Probably my guess is that when we lock the lock, no, this is only holding, probably this is the locking part. No, definitely this is not the locking part, so the locking part is definitely here when we remove, so probably the ball bearings are the ones holding the shackle tightly. So yep, this was the Yale padlock number Y114B picked. I was unable to get it. So guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.